recording. It just started recording now. I might have a little bit of his other route.
I want to do it again.
Okay, go ahead.
Because he didn't get the whole thing.
Ooh, are these grapes?
Yeah, we're gonna, yep.
Yeah. Try what they have seeds in them.
Can you eat the green ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, the green one is the one that gets ripe when it's green, but it's just barely turning ripe, so it's still a little bit sour. Those are Niagaras. The other ones are Concord, but they're not really pure dark blue.
That was